Hello students, today our topic is networking concept. Networking. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. For example, if one of the computer in a network has a printer attached to it, then all the computers in that network can access the same printer. The computer in a network can communicate with each other as well as works independently. Each computer in a network called a node. The computer in a network can be linked through cables, telephone lines, or radio waves. There are some advantages of networking: reduction in hardware cost, efficient use of storage media, reduces the need of hard copies. Real time delivery means one can instantly share data and information across the globe. Types of network. Types of networks depending on the geographical area covered by a network. There are various types of computer networks which are personal area network. A PAN allow communication among devices that are in the nearness of an individual. These devices include computer, mobile phone, etc. and cover only a few meters, that is 10 meters of an area. Local area network. Inland, two or more computers and other peripheral devices are connected within a small area, such as a room, a building, or a campus. LAN is owned and controlled by a single person or an organization. Metropolitan area network. MAN is larger than LAN. It is spread across a city. Example of MAN types of network is the branches of a local bank in a city. Wide area network. WAN connects two or more computers located at distant places. In this network, nodes are linked through telecommunication or satellite signal. There are some network components. To create a computer network, some hardware components are required, which are network interface card. Provide the interconnection between network and computers. Most motherboards usually have built-in network interface card. Network cable. Registered Jack 45 RJ45 is an 8-wire network cable. It is a connector which is used to link the network interface card with the hub. Hub and switch. Hub and switch act as a central point of connection for all the computer on a network. Each computer on a network is connected to the hub and switch via cables. Thank you. Our next topic is network architecture. Network architecture refers to the overall framework of an organization computer network. Computer network mainly are of two types, which are client server network, peer-to-peer network. Client server. In this network, where several computers or workstations are connected to the main computer called the server. All the computers are called clients. A server is a computer that provides services to clients. Clients are the computer which request for services like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. Then next, peer-to-peer network. In peer-to-peer network, there is no central server. Each computer connected over the network has equal capability and equal rights. That means all the computers can act as a server or a client as well. Next is network topology. Network topology refers to the systematic description of the different nodes in a network. It determines how data flows within a network. The most commonly known network topologies are: first is point to point network topology. In this topology, two nodes are directly linked to each other. For example, a computer system is directly connected to a printer. Next is bus topology. This topology uses a single communication line or one main cable to which all nodes are directly connected. It transmits data in one direction. In this type of network, one of the computer acts as a computer server that provide data to all the clients. Next is star topology. In this topology, each device are connected to a central device called hub or switch. Each device is linked to the central hub through a separate cables. So it is easy to add new device to the network as only one cable is required. But if the central system fails, then all the system will be disconnected. Next is ring topology. In this topology, all the computers and peripherals are connected to one another in the form of ring. In this network, data travels in a circular manner. In this topology, if single break in the connection, it could upset the entire network. Next is tree topology. Tree topology is formed with a group of star network connected to a bus. So this is topology is also called star and bus topology. In this topology, all the system are connected in a star form. Mesh topology. In this topology, each node is connected to every other node in the network. A single computer does not act as a server in this topology. In this, every node not only sends its own signals but also relay data from other nodes. It is mostly used in wireless network. Next topic is network security. Network security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access by providing password, etc. There are various methods to keep your network secure. First is access control. It is used to block unauthorized user. Second is firewall. Firewall is a security system that protects a computer from an unauthorized access over a network. Third is application security. Always protect the applications stored in a computer system by providing password. Thank you.